I spend most of my time working in front of my computer, and I don't want to spend time cleaning the house every day. But after breakfast and coffee every day, dust and crumbs gradually build up on the floor. So I've always been looking for a robot that can handle daily cleaning on its own. Recently, I've been using this ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI. After breakfast, I let it clean the kitchen and dining area first. While I'm working during the day, it continues cleaning the living rooms and other rooms. After finishing, it also returns to the base station to automatically clean the roller, so I don't need to do any manual maintenance. So in this video, I want to share a real-life experience and see whether it is actually worth it. This video is sponsored by ECOVACS, but all experiences are based on my actual usage. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI consists of a robot vacuum mop and an OMNI base station. The base station uses soft fabric-like texture, so it doesn't look intrusive when placed at home. The robot is about 9.5 centimeters in height, which allows it to go under most furniture in my home, especially under the bed and sofa. These are areas I rarely clean manually, but now they can be handled by the robot. With AV3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance, its multi-dimensional visual module can quickly recognize rooms and build a map, after which I can use the app to run cleaning tasks. The most special part of this machine is the horizontal roller at the bottom. It is 27 centimeters long and can clean a large area in a single pass. The kitchen is the place in my home where stains appear most often. After cooking or making coffee, crumbs and small amounts of liquid are often left on the floor. For this type of everyday mess, it usually cleans it in one pass. After cleaning, the floor does not leave obvious watermarks. I checked with a paper towel and there was no noticeable residue. Even when dealing with slightly dried stains, the OZMO ROLLER 3.0 helps remove stubborn dirt with 10N downward scrubbing force, fresh flow power washing, and up to 200 RPM self-washing. I can also set multiple deep clean cycles in the app. In deep clean mode, the cleaning path becomes denser. After going over the same area twice, the stains gradually get removed. This is much more convenient than using a mop to go back and forth every day. Inside the machine, there are 32 water outlets, which allow it to wash the roller while mopping at the same time, keeping the roller continuously clean and preventing dirty mop streaking. After cleaning, it automatically returns to the base station for washing, and all dirt eventually goes into the dirty water tank. Besides the center of the floor, the area I usually neglect most is along walls and under cabinets. With TrueEdge technology, when the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI gets close to walls or furniture, the roller automatically extends to the right. The maximum extension is about 1.5 centimeters. This allows it to get closer to cabinets and baseboards. Long edges where dust builds up can also be cleaned. In daily life, most of what's on the floor is dust and small particles. The robot features blast airflow technology with maximum suction power of around 30,000 pascals. When it encounters loose debris, the side brush first gathers it toward the main brush. Then the main brush pulls the particles into the suction inlet. After it passes, the floor is clean without debris being scattered around. The app also includes a particle cleaning strategy. When enabled, the robot can lift the side brush when it detects large piles of debris. When it detects the carpet in my studio, it automatically switches to vacuum mode, and the roller lifts up by 15 millimeters to avoid wet contact with the carpet surface. I can also set it to clean the carpet first, then mop hard floors afterward, so the roller stays dry when it enters the carpet area. Dust and hair on the carpet can be easily removed. I often see loose hair around the house, and the ZeroTangle 4.0 technology guides hair into the suction inlet. Most of the hair goes directly into the dustbin. After use, I occasionally remove the main brush for inspection, and there is almost no hair tangling on the brush. Of course, in a real home, the environment is never perfectly empty. When it approaches shoes, it slows down in advance and changes direction. When it detects cables, it also tries to avoid them. When dealing with table and chair legs, it constantly adjusts its path. Occasionally there is slight contact, but it does not repeatedly hit furniture with force. When moving between rooms, it also needs to cross thresholds on its own. The TruePass adaptive four-wheel drive climbing system helps the robot lift itself over obstacles. After crossing, it continues cleaning the next room. In normal cleaning mode, the noise does not affect my work at home. When I'm writing scripts or editing videos at my desk, it runs beside me, and I can mostly ignore it. Even when switching to higher suction mode, the sound becomes louder, but it is mostly airflow noise, not sharp noise. If someone is resting at home, I usually keep it in standard mode, which is still acceptable. Battery life was something I was initially concerned about, because a full cleaning cycle includes kitchen, living room, and other rooms. It can clean up to 200 square meters in one run. After cleaning for a while, it returns to the base station to wash the roller. During this 3-minute process, PowerBoost Charging also adds about 10% battery, while adaptive charging helps optimize charging based on cleaning needs. So this time is not wasted. The whole process does not stop due to charging delays. And for larger homes, this is more useful than battery capacity alone. The first thing I need to do is refill clean water based on usage. The tank is enough for multiple cleaning cycles. The second thing is to empty dirty water and dust. The color clearly shows how much dirt has been cleaned. After that, it can simply be rinsed and put back. The base station automatically uses 75 degrees Celsius hot water to clean the roller. After cleaning, the roller returns to a clean state. It then uses 63 degrees Celsius hot air for drying. This helps prevent odor from long-term moisture. Throughout the whole process, I only need to do minimal maintenance. After using it for a while, I can leave it to clean on its own. I mostly use the app to select rooms and set cleaning schedules. For example, automatically cleaning kitchen and living room every day. When I'm busy, I can also ask YIKO to clean specific areas.
Hi, ECO.
I'm listening.
Clean the office.
Okay, DEEBOT is starting with clean in agent testing room. That's calibrating.
The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI is suitable for homes that want better mopping performance, have long hair, pets, or carpets, and wanted to reduce daily maintenance. For me, its biggest value is not any single specification, but that cleaning is no longer something I have to think about every day. If you're also looking for a robot that can help reduce daily cleaning tasks and give you more time for work and life, you can find the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro OMNI linked below this video.